Here's a simple and delicious recipe for potato karahi. Alright, so let's get started with the ingredients. You will need 4 medium potatoes, peeled and cubed, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 large onion, finely sliced, 2 medium tomatoes, chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, slit, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or adjust to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, and finally, fresh coriander for garnish. Now, let's move on to the instructions. First, heat the oil in a karahi or deep pan over medium heat. Next, add the sliced onions and sauté them until they turn golden brown. Then, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. After that, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and the oil starts to separate. Now, add the coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix everything well. Add the cubed potatoes and green chilies and stir to coat the potatoes in the spice mixture. Cover the karahi and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are tender. If needed, add a little water to prevent sticking. Once the potatoes are cooked, sprinkle garam masala over the top and give it a final stir. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander before serving. Serve hot with naan, roti, or steamed rice. Enjoy your potato karahi.